Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply hyperlink in Excel. Okay, let's begin. As you can see, this is sheet 1 and we have sheet 2, we have sheet 3, we have sheet 5, we have sheet 4. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a hyperlink that will give us access to sheet 5 and create another hyperlink from sheet 5 to sheet 2. Okay, now let's go and click on sheet 1. So we're going to type sheet 5. As you can see, this is sheet 5. Then we're going to insert. Then as you can see, this is hyperlink. You click on it. As you can see, we are going to click place in this document. Then we are going to choose sheet 5 here. As you can see, then we are going to click OK. As you can see, this is the link. This is the hyperlink. So when we click this sheet, you can see it just takes us to sheet 5, as you can see. And now we are going to create hyperlink that will take us to sheet 2. As you can see, let's try sheet 2. As you can see, this is sheet 2. We are going to insert the hyperlink. As you can see, this is hyperlink. You click, then you choose sheet 2, then you click OK. As you can see, we have already create hyperlink which will take us to sheet 2. So now if we click this sheet 2, it will take us to sheet 2. As you can see, now we are in sheet 2. So this is how to create hyperlink in Excel. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.